Well, I'm back in New York. I got my protein shake, I got my dog, and we're gonna go see what the farm has in store for us. It's actually Thursday and I'm posting this tonight, so everything that happens right now is happening in real time and you guys are gonna see it tonight. Normally I record videos and I post them a couple of days later, but I'm a little behind because of South Carolina. And I'm actually going on another trip this weekend. So we've been getting a lot of stuff done, huh buddy? Getting ready for everything. Look at him. And I love Springer Spaniels, and if you don't, there's something wrong with you. They're the best breed ever. Except he keeps trying to eat a huge dead deer in our yard. And I don't want you to get diseases, so you got yelled at this morning. Okay. Anyway, it's got a little sidetrack there. See you at the farm. Let's go, beautiful girls. Come on, let's go. Sneak through here. How's your morning going? Come up. That makes it so they can't get out while I'm working on them. You can see over here, Stephanie is cleaning out the sick pen and calving pen packs. We try to do this a couple times a month. We do want a little bit of the pack to be there, so we let it build up because you want it to be comfy and warm for them to lay on. But we do like to clean it out because you can't let it sit for too long or else the bacteria really grows and gets kind of nasty in there. You see it's steaming from the heat. But she's gonna clean that out and they're gonna bed it up. She has it going right into the spreader. Coming at you live from Group 3, aka the fresh cows. Cows who just had a baby. And I'm gonna be checking them. Let's pee to make sure they are all doing good because new mamas gotta check on them. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I mean, you guys see me doing this like a million times, so I'm not gonna record it. But that's when my day is gonna start. There was 2 new babies last night, so I have 2 new moms to take care of. I want all of them to go and see the headbox, but some of them, when they come back from getting milked, they just want to chill. A lot of them decide to eat, which I want them to do. But the ones that want to chill, I don't really bother them. Unless I notice, say that one's been laying down every single time she comes back, then I'm going to check her out because I know there's something wrong with her. She always wants to come back down and lay down. But everyone, pretty normal, except for this Jersey. Wait, no, it's not her. It's a different one. 4995 right there. She always gives me problems. She's a big loudmouth. All she does is moo. So I checked her. I'm like, okay, maybe there's something wrong with you. But there wasn't. So I don't know what her deal is. I think she's just miserable old Bessie. Funny because my Aunt Rachel wanted me to name a Jersey after her for so long, and I finally did. And it was that one, the one that never shuts up. So I feel bad now because it's the most annoying Jersey we have. It's named after my aunt. So this is what a cow looks like when she's in heat. This little light brown one is the one in heat. And you can see this other one's kind of rubbing up against her. She knows that she's in heat. I take a moment to appreciate this little clan of Jerseys down here. And at least 2 of them are in heat now that I'm looking at it. But that light one is definitely, she's picking fights with everyone. They just show very distinct signs when they are. Okay, here we go. Gonna try. Nope, she almost went for it. But it was usually the one that's on the bottom is the one that's in heat. Sometimes they both are. Sometimes it's the one on top. And when they're in heat, it means they are ready to be bred. But we don't have any bulls in the barn, so we do all artificial insemination. And there she goes. You guys know the signs of heat. Mounting, acting super friendly, If you can see some hair rubbed off on their pins and hooks, then you know they're in heat. And just like weird behavior, like yelling and stuff like that. Currently, I'm headed home for lunch. I didn't really record much of the cows, but I am planning on going to work with Claudia later, just to get a little touch of what she does day to day. And then she's gonna work with me eventually, and we're gonna teach each other some things. But my mom made us lunch. Look at how good it looks. Venison tacos. Thanks. So I'm back here working on these fresh cows, and the fans are on. Can you hear that? Where are they? Let me tap the screen. You can't really see them. Oh, they're there. They're there. It's hard to point when it's backwards, but that's just a sign of summer, because that noise of the fans on and the parlor going, love it. I'm running a bottle of calcium into her so she doesn't get milk fever. When they calve, their body starts taking a lot of calcium from their body to make the milk, so we gotta make sure that we supplement it if we need be. So I'm taking a break from the cows, and Claudia's gonna show me. Still like cows. Hey, look, we're elementary. Claudia's gonna show me how to do. What are we doing? I'm gonna run the excavator for a little bit, and I really know how to run it, so an amateur teaching an amateur, less than an amateur, a novice. So wish me luck. We are venturing out there. Polaris. Whoop! She's drifting. Oh my god, I drifted so bad earlier. All the tiles fell out of the back, and I like couldn't get it to go straight. I was literally going. Oh, gee! Ah! She already messed up. You put that thing in the ground. Okay. We're gonna go over to this hole where we gotta dig, and I'm going to dig it so that I don't mess it up and she does. Do it. So decide you can use your hands. I don't know. Oh my god. Use your hands, or you can use your feet. Oh, I would totally use my feet. But it's a little hard, and then I get everything funny. Where did that hole go? The hole? Over there. Way over there. You wanna drive it over there? It's really not that hard. It's like it's good to you. Why? We're almost there. Whoa! You don't know how scary it is. You can move it around while you're moving. That doesn't like when so weird. I don't like that. I don't know if we have that at the fair. Not the fair. Okay, you're moving this. That one. Nope. Where is it parked? Nope, it doesn't go on first. Put this down first. Yes. Yep. Thank you. Make it so you can drive. You're not going. No, try the other one. And then go side to side with that one. Bring it back a little bit, like towards you. Yeah. Like, yeah, make the hole bigger. Yeah. That was a good soup. Darker soil there. Oh wait, there is water in here. Keep going. One more, yeah. Everyone drink some. Oh. That's gonna be really heavy. No? I don't really know what to look for. Dad just said to dig up the hole. Isn't it kind of fun? Yeah. See how wet that is? It's weird. It's not really going well so far. This thing is harder to control than I thought it would be. Like it's just so touchy. It's like a skid steer in a way, but a little more touchy and like more controls with your hands. But I could get used to this. It's a lot easier than working cows, I have to admit that. I haven't got out to do the digging part. Claudia's going to get a shovel, but I could get used to this. This is a pretty fun job. So while she's gone, as you guys know, I normally am always just with the cows and the animal livestock side. I don't really get out to the fields much, but I appreciate the people that do because they're keeping my cows fed. But when I do, it's just kind of fun to learn everything because it's a totally different world. It's way different. And I think with the field stuff, it's similar to the cow stuff. Like, if you get it, you get it. And I do not get it out here. Like, this tractor stuff stresses me out. Machinery stresses me out. I'll do it, I'll learn, but I hate it. I would much rather be around cows and livestock. Much rather. Now, I watch Claudia dig a hole. Trying to get the water out. She's digging water. Nice, Claude. Keep going. Might take you a few years. It's only fair if I get to shovel some too. A lot of rocks out in New York, if you didn't know. I heard that's not common out west. Water honestly is probably like so clean if it wasn't like if it didn't all hurt up. It says the water you drank in the well. I don't see the bubble anymore. It is. So we figured out the tile goes this way. After a lot of digging. Pretty sure look at it. You can see the bubbles. Look at that. She's starting a new hole. What have we done? She's just my supervisor, so if I did anything wrong, because of her. So that is the end of my training lesson, as I have to go edit 2 videos before I leave for secret location. Oh, I forgot about it. Excited. But Thanks for showing me, thanks for showing me the ropes around here.